Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete chapter 3 of the Lana quest in Dress to Impress. So, it's a maze. It's actually pretty easy if you know where to go, but if you look to the floor, there will be a red line guiding you. It's not that visible, but you can see it in some spots. You can see that you're going the right way too when there's like these firefly sparkles. I don't know what they're called. But basically just follow the red line. If you are still confused, you can just follow my lead here. And I am just going to speed this up because it takes like actually 1 to 2 minutes to complete this maze. Actually, it feels like longer, but I'm just going to fast forward this. So just follow the red line on the floor, honestly, and it's going to be super easy to complete the maze part of chapter 3. Also, I want to mention, be careful of the like spikes and like the ones that like roll, as well as like on the floor there's like the square. Don't step on it because spikes will fall to you, and then on these traps just kind of jump over them because it does take like a part of your life. I'm not gonna, well, you have these like hearts at the bottom corner of your screen, right? So if you get hit by any of those traps before fighting with the boss, you'll only get a few lives left, and then when you actually fight the boss, um it will be harder to stay alive, I guess, because your lives have already been taken by the traps there. As you can see, I got caught by one just now, and I only have 2.5 lives left. So it's not actually 3 lives, it's 6 lives. So maybe I should just say like 5 lives left. So yeah, just be careful of these traps. And here I'm almost finished. I'm actually not going to speed it up because I feel like it's going to be hard for you guys to see where I'm going. For the boss fight, grab the scythe and you're just going to battle it out with these Lana minions, these evil Lanas. Then after that fight, I'm just fast forwarding everything. You're just going to go on top of some rocks. So don't let the like black liquid get to you. Then after this, there's just going to be some red spots on the floor. Just don't stand there. Just make sure you stand on the green spot. There's going to be another one, but in circles. Instead of going to you like horizontally, it's going to get to you from the bottom. Wait, horizontally? Did I say horizontal? Yes. Like the red circles, they're going to like spawn from the bottom of the like grass, and it's going to be like spiky. I don't know how to describe it. Then after this, the like evil boss, Lana, whatever, is going to chase you. So just run from it. Honestly, that's like my only tip, is to just run. It's going to only chase one person, and it likes to chase me for some reason. So great. Next, you're just going to jump. It's going to, yeah, you're just going to jump. I'm really bad at that one. Then you're just going to attack when it turns red. And if the bar is like completely black and white, that means you're done. If not, you're just going to restart this from the beginning again. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.